Hi everyone, and welcome to the video. Today I'm making the Jesmonite jar candles mold. They are actually pretty easy to make. So right now I'm just removing the jar from the mold.
Stir the fine white dust, add a little bit of trust, let the water fall.
And look at that, it is so cute and has that mold mom on the middle. I just love it.
Something to create, liquid stone in steady hands, finding where the beauty stands. Wait for the set, no need for the thread, golden and gray.
Then I scrap off the bottom if any extra is left.
In the stillness of the light, everything is coming right. Everything is coming right. Feel the warmth inside the mold, a story waiting to be told. In the sanding, in the shine, every curve and every line, dusting off the final layer, a silent, simple craft of prayer. Wait for the set, no need for the thread, golden and gray, the work of the day. In the stillness of the light, everything is coming right. Everything is coming right.
Then I use all natural wax sealer to protect the jars, and it's actually waterproof as well. I apply the wax on the jars and then wait 30 minutes, then I apply the second time as well and I let it dry again. After it's all dry, I can pour in some wax.
It's said, it's done, beautiful in the morning sun. Stir the fine white dust, add a little bit of trust, let the water fold away, making something to create, liquid something to create, liquid stone in steady hands, finding where the beauty stands. Wait for the set, no need for the thread, golden and gray, the work of the day. In the stillness of the light, everything is coming right.
This was so fun to make, and I'm so happy you watched it this far. This process is kind of slow and requires a lot of patience. Hope you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.